Carla Harriman est l'auteur de 14 livres. Parmi ses publications récentes, on peut citer Adorno's Noise, dont nous lirons un extrait, qui est un recueil d'essais conceptuels et poétiques, le long poème Open Box, que Martin est en train de traduire et dont je lirai des extraits avec Carla, le roman Garner of Stars et Baby, en français apparu Toujours l'épine et sous la rose, dans une traduction de Martin Richet. Carla Harriman est coéditrice de Lust for Life on the Writings of Kathy Acker et une des participantes du projet d'autobiographie collective et sérielle The Grand Piano. Dans ses performances les plus récentes, elle met en œuvre le texte polyvocal, le bilinguisme, la parole en voix chorale et l'improvisation musicale. En 2004, la Foundation for Contemporary Art lui a décerné un prix pour sa poésie et elle enseigne à Eastern Michigan University et à Bard College.
Thank you very much. We're going to begin the reading with the last essay in Adorno's Noise. This collection is, I think of it as a collection of essays, but often the essays are resemble poetry or performative texts more than conventional essays, and often the essays stress oral sound more than semantic meaning, and sometimes the reverse. In the last essay of the work, it is split vividly between these kinds of modes, and so the first part happens in something that resembles poetry, and the last part of the essay resembles, is in prose, in a kind of cut-up prose. So the other thing to know is that the titles of Adorno's Noise are often doubled, and one title is taken from Minima Moralia by Theodore Adorno, and the other title is something that I've imposed myself on the text. And so we're going to begin with The Opposite of Slackness, Orgasms. 'Tis issue robbing pope, sucking spear transit, splash, oops, bore eye, fro, eye, higher, harrow, guarded, leer, trap, fire, slurly, badage, adage, craze. Speak, 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 engineer, linger, rotund, dusty, Ho, oat, toe below, spite, rain, stamen, stick rat, earth, reeves, heavy slob, sorrow, mow.
Orgasme. Cet issue privant pape, suçant lance, transite, trempe, hop là, sonde, œil de l'œil, loup, herse, lorgne à vue, trappe, feu, barbotte, badge, adage, lubie. Parle, ingénieur tarde, bombé, poudreux, re, Hou à voix orteil, dessous tige, pluie, étamine, stipe, rat, terre, capelle, lourd, souillon, haut, tourmenton.
Spot, smear, spot, squash, stadium, clinging pillar, out here, a rear, basting, let, low, lyric, violet, storm. Loaned, honey, nothing, doing, behind, gravy, train, fell, too slow, entrance gained, a billow in the random rain. Never, adumbrate, never fever, scumbling, punchable, larynx, snot god, sported inside, mountain, yawn, swerve, gliding, dust to dust, hard, shadow, phase, hammy, maverick, net there, scratching, crevice, hoarding, hot snow, ocean, bosses, suds, scribble, which ways, blacking.
Point, souille, point, écrabouille, stade, sac, grippe, pilastre, or, entend racler derrière, que basse, lyrique, violette, orage. Miel en gage, rien à faire derrière assiette au beurre, mauvais, mal, chute, à lente entrée, gagné, involute, dans la pluie aléatoire. Jamais d'esquisse, jamais fièvre, estompant, estampable, larynx, morve, Dieu, arboré à l'intérieur, montagne, bail, dévie, glissant, poussière en poussière, dur, ombre, face, cabot, franc-tireur, cinglé, là, grattant crevasse, essaimant chaud de neige, océan patron savonneux, griffonne, quelle direction noircissant.
Chancy, chaos, gouge, loony, brighter than tune. may, max, Iax. Razor, ruby, bird seared near her, area reached, piper ripping, rail. Low, light, lit, little tick, flea, migrant, sip, pissy, wit, twill, low, will, piano, frill, label, slain, hero, palo, opal, laughing, harrow, barracuda, amour, our radio crash.
Risqué chaos, gouge, barjot, plus vif qu'air. Mais, Max, y'a que ça. Rasoir, rubis, oiseau, cotère, près de son air, atteint, chevalier, éreinte, râle. Faible clarté, éclat, petite tique, puce, migrante, gorgée, grogne, esprit, sera, faible vouloir, piano volant, étiquette, héros, oxy, palo, opale, hilar, herse, barracuda, darling, no crash radio.
Not on my time happy, not on my time mad, not on my time money, not on my time skin, not on my time merry, not on my time dig, not on my time fanny, not on my time sorrow, not on my time sand, not on my time sun, not on my time moon, not on my time hills, not on my time rivers, not on my time rinse, not on my time cloud, not on my time vapor, not on my time film, not on my time shame, not on my time hover, not on my time blow, not on my time sassy, not on my time slow, not on my time, honey, not on my time more.
Pas sur mon temps heureuse, pas sur mon temps folle, pas sur mon temps argent, pas sur mon temps peau, pas sur mon temps joyeuse, pas sur mon temps pige, pas sur mon temps valseur, pas sur mon temps chagrin, pas sur mon temps sable, pas sur mon temps soleil, pas sur mon temps lune, pas sur mon temps colline, pas sur mon temps rivière, pas sur mon temps rince, pas sur mon temps nuage, pas sur mon temps vapeur. Pas sur mon temps film, pas sur mon temps honte et pas sur mon temps lévite, pas sur mon temps souffle, pas sur mon temps effronté, pas sur mon temps lente, pas sur mon temps chéri, pas sur mon temps plus.
Defeat, effort, defeat, fort, feet, eat, defeat, at, art, fart, or fet, tet, ear, eat, fet, tet, do, to, o, def, effort, fort, or, or, ta, tort, or at, eat, ta, tat, or did 10 feet near tet, defeat. Lulu, lang, loop, bay, rat, hip, hole, cleavage, o, decalogue, boober, hover, mind, hammer, am. Bubble, slumber, pressure, song, cover over every wrong, abridge my sigh with overwing, oh, swim again beyond thy hand. Points are reached at every point, slimmed mirror, prunes, mirror, morning, rave.
Défait, effort, défait fort, défaite faste de téton, à l'arpète, ou fête, tête, oui, faste, fête, tête, fait à l'avoine, à l'eau, sourd, effort, fort, or, i, ou ta, tort, ou a, faste, ta, tate, ou 10, défaite, net, tête, défait. Lululangue, boucle, baie, sans sas, trou, classe, fente, au, décalogue, gaffe, lévite, le mien, marteau, suit. Bulle, sommeil, pression, chanson, recouvre tout, faute, abrège, mon soupir avec sur elle, eau, nage, à nouveau, au-delà de ta main. Des points sont atteints, à chaque point, miroir aminci, élague, simple délire de deuil.
Everyone now began to tear at Adorno. An orgasm is an elegy. I can't explain this rationally. It's site-specific emotion lodged in a small barking noise, an escape hatch in the negative dialectic. This is what he might have desired during the student protest in 1969. The emotion that corresponds to the practice of oppression is contempt. If I had been among the students in Frankfurt, would I have opened up my leather jacket and showed him my breasts in a parodic manner, in solidarity with a leaflet that proclaimed, Adorno as an institution is dead?
Tout le monde se mit alors à déchirer Adorno. Un orgasme est une élégie. Je n'ai pas d'explication rationnelle à ça. C'est une émotion propre au lieu, logée dans un petit aboiement, une trappe de secours dans la dialectique négative. C'est ce qu'il aurait peut-être désiré au moment de la contestation estudiantine de 1969. L'émotion qui correspond à la pratique de l'oppression et le mépris. Si j'avais été parmi les étudiants de Francfort, aurais-je ouvert mon blouson de cuir pour lui montrer mes seins de façon parodique, par solidarité avec un tract qui proclamait « Adorno en tant qu'institution est mort ».
Direct socialization is structurally determined by the patriarchal or Oedipal family. So the gender politics of parody is hopeless if you want meaningful social change. In this story, however, the people live and Adorno dies. Yet I am convinced that I would have refused to think of Adorno or any individual as an institution and instead would have removed myself from the scene and posed as the small-time expert, a sexless menial. In my rejection of revolt, I would have underscored my subject position as a mirror of the fragile component of the social sexual contract. Adorno was attached to, in fact, relied upon mimesis. Did I desire him even after he forgave me for faking the orgasm? But how do I know that I wouldn't have been instead liberated from this inclination to withdraw, to pose, and to think at a remove? What if I had become activated? I can well imagine this. Even as I write, I can feel some odd source or space that's as much physical sensation as idea located inside. It's probably in everybody's brain wanting activation.
La socialisation directe est structurellement déterminée par la famille patriarcale ou oedipienne, de sorte que la parodie comme politique sexuelle est sans espoir si l'on veut un changement social qui ait un sens. Dans cette histoire, cependant, les gens vivent et Adorno meurt. Pourtant, je suis convaincue que j'aurais refusé de voir en Adorno ou tout individu une institution et j'aurais choisi de m'éclipser et de me faire passer pour une experte de seconde zone, une subalterne asexuée. Dans mon rejet de la révolte, j'aurais souligné ma position de sujet comme miroir de la fragile composante du contrat sexuel social. Adorno était attiré par la mimésis, il dépendait même d'elle. Avais-je du désir pour lui, même après qu'il m'eût pardonné d'avoir feint l'orgasme ? Mais comment puis-je savoir que je n'aurais pas plutôt été libérée de cette inclination à me retirer, à poser et à penser à distance ? Et si j'avais été activée, je peux très bien imaginer cela. Au moment même où j'écris, je sens quelque étrange source ou espace qui relève autant de la sensation physique que de l'idée, situés à l'intérieur, ils existent sûrement dans le cerveau de chacun, en attente d'être activés.
With a flick of the switch, aggression exposes erotic drives to blindness. On the other side of this blindness is an orgasm in the public void. An orgasm is an elegy in which there is no consolation. Machines, like orgasms, are inconsolable things. Adorno metamorphosed from an instrument to a machine to the unnameable, a figure in the Beckett he had admired. Text is the electricity that moves the body from one thing to the next, even as it cannot break out of its instrumental rationality.
Un coup d'interrupteur et l'agressivité exposent les pulsions érotiques à l'aveuglement. De l'autre côté de cet aveuglement, il y a un orgasme dans le vide public. Un orgasme est bien une élégie dénuée de consolation. Les machines, comme les orgasmes, sont des choses inconsolables. D'un instrument, Adorno se métamorphosa en machine, puis en innommable, figure du Beckett qu'il admirait. Le texte est l'électricité qui meut le corps d'une chose à une autre, au moment même où il ne peut s'extraire de sa rationalité instrumentale.
With the books in his brain stem, shifting their weight hurriedly, he sought comfort in non-human valets in southern Switzerland. The poet Rilke had a few things to say about this spot. I hide my shame below the figure of his agonistic remorse. In respect to mountains like these, Kant refers to a voluptuousness for the mind in a train of thought that he can never fully unravel. Why is it that I wish for the mountain to remain where it is and for the unraveling to continue beyond such words? Adorno has responded thus: to enter nature signifies seeking out unconscious existence at the very place where it is most clearly revealed in the phenomenal world. A door, whose name became No for an instant, wanted to be elevated by or into the irrational at the sight of a gathering of dissimilar human beings. The need to protect sexuality has something crazy about it. The need to protect sexuality has something crazy about it. About 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 it.
Avec les livres dans son tronc cérébral modifiant en toute hâte leur point d'appui, il partit chercher du réconfort dans l'inhumain Valais au sud de la Suisse. Le poète Rilke avait plusieurs choses à dire à propos de ce lieu. Je cache ma honte sous la silhouette de son remords agonistique. À propos de semblables montagnes, Kant parle d'une volupté pour l'esprit dans un enchaînement d'idées qu'il ne peut jamais entièrement démêler. Pourquoi désirais-je que la montagne demeure où elle est et que le démêlement se poursuive au-delà de tels mots? Adorno a donné la réponse suivante. Entrer dans la nature signifie rechercher l'existence inconsciente au lieu même où elle se révèle avec le plus d'évidence dans le monde phénoménal. Adore, dont le nom devint négatif un instant, souhaitait être élevé par l'irrationnel ou jusqu'à lui, à l'endroit où s'assemblaient des êtres humains dissemblables. Devoir protéger la sexualité, il y a quelque chose de fou à ça. Devoir protéger la sexualité, il y a quelque chose de fou à ça. Ah, il y a quelque chose de fou à ça. Ah, il y a quelque chose de fou à ça. Ah, il y a quelque chose de fou à ça. À ça.
Thanks so much for that translation. That was wonderful. I think maybe I should skip the score and go. Okay. Yeah. I'm going to read one more very short piece from Adorno's Noise. It is difficult to write satire, lesson. Start over. It is difficult to write satire, lesson. The president was on top of me. It's not what you think. He was trying to hurt me. He didn't know that I had a vest on, too, that he would have to try harder to get through. He was pounding. I was scared, but unreasonably. And so my giggling mingled with fear, incredulity, and true amusement. The president, wow, was trying to pow me. This made him madder. He was plowing in with a low ball cut across the chest. I'm teaching you a lesson. His jaw was relaxing, that bewildered, set-in-stone look of determination he used for cameras. Relaxing, a new expression was eking through, showing another self, more free, less fake by a long shot, glowing but bitter. You'll never win, you'll never beat me, I'm stronger than you. This was obvious whenever he let go his grip on my shoulder, even slightly. I'd try to slide away from him. He wanted to see me cry. He pinned me, whispered this in my ear, not knock me out. The smug smile, I'm going to wipe it off your face. That's what he was going for, and for me to declare with sincerity, I give up. You are going to be on top forever. I've learned my lesson. Just move off, and I promise you'll never need your fists again when you have completed your term. I'll work in your library, file your papers, escort researchers to the drawers where your secret documents will be kept several decades hence. And in the meantime, we can keep your wife's favorite poetry books in them, along with all the kind notes full of gratitude people have sent you, and the personal notes from leaders thanking you for your hospitality and supporting your views on everything from, well, you know, staying the course. We'll keep the notes in those files until the keepers of state secrets let your truth slip out of their vaults into your drawers full of dignity and proper views and victory. I'll call you whenever you like on a special line and report on the most recent display of fan letters, one floor down in the Presidential Museum Grand Gallery. Those tomes you had missed out on reading when you were busy doing your duty, being obedient to the higher powers who had bestowed upon you the protective armor we now both share. Which is a little connected to our conversation this afternoon. And now I'd like Martin Richer to come out. Oh no, that's right. We're doing this together. I'm sorry. I forgot that Abigail and I had decided. Yeah. So this is from Open Box, and Martin Richer has translated a number of parts of Open Box, and we're reading some of this long poem. Apparently, also, he might have some information for us about some pages of this that is coming out with some other works by some American language writers.
Note blanche, quand on écoute devient, ne pas finir la pensée, elle se refermerait.
Blank note, when one listens becomes, don't finish the thought as it would shut away.
La page ne gonflera pas. Les poumons, oui, sa teinte entre, coud et brille.
The page will not inflate, lungs do, that's clink between thud and shine. Above kitchen rolling, here kitchen is a fluid first, then later.
Sur cuisine à rouler, là, cuisine est un fluide d'abord, puis après.
Almost nothing, an illusion following from of.
Presque rien, une illusion qui procède de.
What wasted?
Gâcher quoi?
As if gratitude were a kind of thing.
Comme si la gratitude était une chose.
To give up.
À céder.
Give it up.
La céder.
A wacky thing, but some waste and extra whack, for instance, creates a little dogma, vexed regard.
Ni efficace ni nuisible, quelque chose se souhaite là, une décision, et l'option de rebrousser chemin ou de dormir entre.
Between us and a thing, not yours, not mine, that owns us, makes us relate to force. Talking indelible back and forth, scratched a little drama in the music, restoring a lost triangle or dodecahedron.
Avec entité serrée qu'accompagnent des mots outrés, la création et désintégration à et.
When creation wastes some time, old song it's been called, a narcissist explains, who would ever want to be a demiurge?
Quand la création perd du temps, vieille rengaine l'a-t-on appelé, un narcisse se plaint, qui voudrait être démiurge?
When one could withdraw from a drama, repeating a queer thing until it becomes another thing without a name.
Quand on pourrait s'extraire d'un drame qui répète la bizarrerie jusqu'à devenir autre chose d'anonyme.
No veracity here either. The subject has been lost in a breed of deer unknown in these parts otherwise, does not sing, did not before, even in this small escapade. A yard escaped here. What swallowed the notes? They curl down the back of the neck, get stuck in a physical or injudicious, not completed, suspended, columnar, anthropophagus, wasting, spurting with signals.
Qui a dit que la colonne vertébrale les voulait? Signaux, une éponge appelle le liquide, et je les ai mangés.
Who said the spine wanted them? Signals. A sponge wants liquid, and I ate them.
Ce qui signifie, a dit le médecin, que l'art est sans vérité.
There is no
giclant
truth in
de
art.
signaux, mais procédons à un
Spurting with
examen.
signals. Embraced among, sent up with, not to be too specific, name eludes, autonomy of signals, avoids, answer to flesh-eaten questions, the tree-devouring mouth loves its person, divining notes, live in a tree, live in a tree, hawk, bird, owl, fly to the bottom of the sea, flow in a glut of debris, surging with conception everywhere. There's a picture parting from hysteria of depiction. One would want to nurture, to take it to breast and hold it in, a picture one of those, except who can handle an impossible child? The breast is all skeleton, soft inside and swallow, Baroque, raft arts, a repetition. The poem becomes a little, am I an emotion, skeleton? It is true, I would like to pick up where I left off, a story transported from elsewhere, not ad-controlled, opens the body, MW incidentally, leading a blind person on an artery to bus in mud. Kindness assumed is a kind of time intelligence, twisting music touched itself, everywhere toning down. Violence could be assumed, name, a key, a density, soup could steam, together and separately, thus already formed and not, a little sketchy in parts within the ring of prior thought.
Comment se fait-il que certains après-midi deviennent des événements Miles Davis? Rien n'a cessé, sauf un futur.
Why is it some afternoons turn into Miles Davis events? Nothing stopped but a future.
Confession, migration des pronoms continués, de confesser, je l'ai pris froid. Être là, tant dérobé, le futur est dans les mains d'une pelle.
Men
Voix d'un homme
and sons'
et du
voices
fils passe
reach
par là,
through the
fenêtre,
window,
qui s'allonge à l'aigu.
lengthening to treble. Chip dust with bird call and efflorescence chilled by cool note voids, stunned laugh of horn. He laughed first, then performed, and didn't need the background was ours to fill. Languishing talk, a dark cloud retreats to dark cloud, a tendril whose life resides at its tip. Dear friend, I am yours, was thinking you are mine without. I'd like to see more necks with strangers who hiss around the block in hoodlum states, blank as thumbs, indexing triumphs. These little parts of routines belong to ratios drummed by 6 fingers breasting waves.
Toutes ces couleurs se voient, toutes ces couleurs se voient.
All of her
5 heures du
colors are
matin,
showing.
Puis 19h30 et une fois de plus.
Then 7:30 p.m.
Personne lointaine, équilibre, intensité, chointement.
Far persons, intensities, balancings, swishings. Thank you. Thank you so much. And Martin, thank you very much. I don't know where you are, where Martin is, but thank you.
Oui. Écrivain, critique et chercheur, Guy Lelon est l'auteur de textes de fiction.